them low budget boys say Mr. Drew J or 30,000 fake Mr. Drew no emani 3 cedis and a jollof take away kura obayamo mazano wo bo asore kakra low budget kwame Eugene no was on oji 10 cedis in a beer Indomie 2 packs edemo wana were sorted
DJ Paco Rich.
Yes, everyone free we from a Paco to the Rich now. And ye bezum komo kakrebi. Yes, ye ba vibe na ze ya kasa afansem bi ho. Na ebosha there is something on the rise. Wagana sisi a bibi o ha. Adana sisi akere no owodo. But ye be chechire mu kakra. Na yaka no ho someone to be na yenwa fa adwene bi na nkomo bosha ekọ oye Chinese industry no mu another you be a tazigwa wa China wo wade bi wa friend knock off knock off nka yenyim de na caps na de match ye products yes ibimpo no simi he YouTube spray oye knock off na ekọ baby today China but to me who bibi de KLC enyim de popularly brand or popular enyim na what na akokwezi bane ye KFC but ekwa China or bibi your friend KLC the marasuna yen na enyim mpobo ye popular what friend Nike no so oni but ekwa China or bi our friend nkayo say bazo ni nara wo ho wo tuna yes tuna instead of puman will be our friend tuna and can you made a puma or ya there a bobby or retim and can ya the tuna what's a shark and what's that to him and one brand be so a very popular in a yin pa yeta yeshe ibi pa ono see Adidas and so kwa one words and war ye Abidas na dam story a me mezo bokwa na me de kesi ne fare ba baby a me pede mezo kodu akede bibiara ya wo papa bia na ya wo ne bodamfo suwum the saying goes there baby anyankopon toto ne momwen no ewa na abonsam so bonam pesi nti bohwe model screen dra sebi yenyim da iPhone mpobo na woye phone in a way on yam pobwa but bosha eko China wo iPhone na baze na mpobwa or very hilarious but me ba church ni Genesis ni beginning baby okodu baby ayereko in a baby awako we kosi na yehwe the way forward e kai there in a abrantie bi wo Ghana music industry ni ma na wo freno Terry Bonchaka. Yes, Terry Bonchaka, you'll be a very popular or banasa who means or yenin quinjai was stage very, very, very unique. Or man yesterday, Terry, yen look alike, abra or femin. Naratas and first and anka, penny fima, and I dare sebi, oh wow. In the year when you look alike in a year try a day, ye de console but this time and on to them. Into a terrible check and you look alike back in the days, no when yes. O man suni ebenya and not supremo. Esho no suni. And a dad lumba copycat or to dad lumba no you more bonitri that dad lumba ni baby in the full fear and to ata yenyim zoyen. I remember kada bonk hinata na Morocco shop on a marker for him. No, anachi supremo or we or another quay. But on that and I still Ibiri Pwe pa and on a yashen a sister when yani baby call or ye ebony rains so or quen on a copycats in the bibum papa cheddar yimpano pa was or say ebonin on an anchor so would touch an ebony nara. She itala ebony look alike no kita na ehwe no sunu tuntum na aye de enwi the first na wo ade bia car battery wo proper no mu na wo da afrensu na wo da aka blackboard do no ye tum de tomorrow yes na in recent times and damazi abokosuri bebre yenya a lot of them debia foforba yenya Kwame Eugene ni look alike ema onu pozo keshia na wo friend and Kumasi ebi and mo bo kakra shen e wo ma na ye bonhu oye kidney in a kidney and I chede wo tumu twa picture kra hu de look alike some business no record sa kwade aso na nezibi wo ho na CCA ni season a ye woman anya careful awan kasa na wo wife na nkasa obi be ye wo knock off na onye wo wife onye na akada yes because yawo ibinu ma hon disisi ya wa adwene de worry to group of look alike artists what's one puzzle a business man one wa start to work koto from radio station to radio station what's I the window musician in husu kakra wo mo ho na chere wa start to do dress on na according to info so our time that my boys and we are worry girls be wo krom han or you critical zanu ye bufu wo krom ha sisia na obiare kana asame ye low budget can promise ehwe can promise benyin nanyi ma odze dawa enyumnyam wadama abrantie na etukwal sabi why den tohwa ama na wa prepre ho wa twotwo ho fine na also ye can promise ya dwene wa ye ntase na wo perform wo nwum wo bibia pepepe na eyi na ended up we invite one call oye Adom TV Sister Sandy ni show no do na kobende we interview one wakere one shabo de nwanze one fa main artist no bia ni dina another nyom on fam perform wo bibia boy si woma one sada sisie sama wodi no wentuma anso e na chere we guilty of damo offense into say hu damo boy si a wa to won hu ni zini ya this is their video where you were called Kojo Sheldon no yes video credit to Kojo Sheldon na one show one yama wa ye ni Kwame Eugene low budget you know Jinemi yeah Mr. Drew low budget you know Jinemi and I can't promise honestly low budget no Jinemi and a medical no edidi na wa ma wa ye kesedam you nti waso watu wo group a one so edwuma wa ye look alike job it's a chere a freaking promise now so bet you 50,000 and when I'm on a 5 CDs I will be perform I'm we are plastic chair so program na so one so be yi wo be hihye na am them low budget boys and say Mr. Drew J or 30,000 fake Mr. Drew no emani 3 CDs and a jollof take away kura obayamo mazano wo bo asore kakra low budget Kwame Eugene was on oji 10 CDs in a bia Indomie 2 packs edemo wana we sorted and sisi ano where did be na say whisker nsuma ma to the family na black sheriff in house low budget aba nti ehwe yime de kenai so ba ni low budget so baba na na ho kaka wonzo zizi but my catch one if they want to have fun with it or you cool so was they have a fun or you cool but what starts there seb was the jijiji nkofun na edwuma wuska enyumo wa ahwe ndo bi kaye bin what no ko India one survive obi o ha obafa no cool obi o so a obetex na malam inti afutu ameze my brother see ayen it's a fucking thing but this is a fucking life we all live. There are points of happiness my binom we're excited binom just at their you know looking you know low budget looking as an And see me, I'm not going to go hard against them though. They are mimicking and they will live in the shadows of somebody. If they are doing it for entertainment, comedy, now or strictly or a relative, you can choose to do it in so many ways. In Ghana and Kotine Biwo, Echo Nigeria or Davido ni look alike or Westkid ni look alike and all that. It is part of the game. It is part of entertainment. So let's allow these young guys to have fun. But Shana, Wanfa Obinizan and Kobushu, and I knew being Kada in the name of Mr. Jew, and I can promise and I Kwame Eugene. This is the advice Kakra Medzbama one. I'm out of here. Higher fancy YouTube. If you feel the vibes now, subscribe. Name burning more fire of here. My name is Paco Rich. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.